box radios we are going to put down, and we will be counting them. This belongs to number 44 to 56. This box radios. After 56, 57 will start from here. 57 to 75. Similarly, 76 to 93 will start from here, and then 94 to 109, and then 110 to 118. Likewise, we are counting. This is rack number 1, rack number 2, rack number 3, rack number 4. In this similar way, it is all going from this way to that way. Okay. This person is showing you the whole vision. Come now. Okay. So we are going to take down all these radios, and we will be counting them simultaneously, showing you the model number. Okay. Take it.
Start.
Okay. Number 45. Number 45 is what is that? Philips 14451 radio. This is our Philips radio 14451. Confirming it here in the list. 45 confirm. 46 Philips Voice King. 46 Philips Voice King confirmed. 47 is Philips Bahadur Super 7. So this is Philips radio Bahadur Super 7. 47 confirmed. 48 Philatelic 333. Okay, so Philips AL 333. 48 confirmed. 49 again is Philips 22 RL 420. This is 49 Philips. We have to see the model number, that is 22 RL 420. Model number 22 RL 420. This is also confirmed. 49 confirmed. Moving on to the 50th one. 50th is this one. This one is also Philips. I'm turning the pages. Okay, this is 50. 50th is Philips L3414T. Confirming the model. This one is Philips L34140. There is some spelling mistakes. Confirming this 50 Philips. 51 is again Philips AL382. Philips AL382. 52 again. 52 is AL246 Philips radio. Here in the list we have 52 AL246. 53 is Philips Tropicalized, and model name is not available. But we have just one piece of this radio in our museum. So 53 is also confirmed. 54 one is a Philips radio, and its model is also not available, but just one piece is there. You can see that design and photo. These all has been attached in the list, in the digital list in Excel file. So we are not keeping any duplicates. This is a unique Philips model only. Model not available. 55. So 54 was confirmed. 55 again model number is not confirmed, but it is a unique Philips radio, because no other radio is looking like this. As you see, the photo of this radio has been attached. So 55 is also confirmed. 56 is Champion RL384. Let us see. This is 56 Champion RL384. So 56 is also confirmed. So up to now, these all the radios we have counted until now, and we are going to put all these radios again back into that box, and we will be starting from rack 2 now onwards. Rack 1 has been completed, and radios from number 1 to 56 have been completed. They have been showed and verified by the list. Okay, done. अब निकाल. Take out the radios and put them down quickly. We will arrange the numbers afterward. Just take them out. Take them out in bulk. This is how we are doing the counting process. This night out, we have been working day and night to count these radios because the number is really large, very huge collection, you can see. We are both educated persons. The persons taking out radio is alumni of Delhi University. He is studying still there. He is doing his graduations in English literature, and I am a civil engineer holding this camera, counting these radios for my father. Okay, he is already 70 years of age, so he has a lot of health issues. So we are assisting him. So likewise, we have taken all the radios out, you can see, and we will be counting them and verifying them with list. Okay,
Start.
ready? Okay, 57 is Jolly 203. This one is a Jolly radio, and confirming the model number, this is 203. Okay, so Jolly 203, 57 confirmed. Moving to 58, National 225 Dynamite. 58 is Dynamite radio. It is a Dynamite radio, this one. 58, this one, Dynamite. 876, this is also confirmed. 59 Amar Jyoti, FM Dolby LCD TV, LCTV. This is the model name, and Muskan is the model name. Jyoti Muskan 59 confirmed. 60th one is Royal Singer Radio 60 confirmed. 61 Jyoti Transistor 416911. 61 is Jyoti Transistor and 41611. We have to see, this one is the registration number 416911, another model number. So 61 confirmed. 62 is 4-band Alba radio, 62 confirmed. 63 is Jolly radio, Nicky Junior. This one is Nicky written here. So Nicky in list confirmed Jolly. 63. 64 is Brother radio, 4-band Brother. Likewise, you can see in this Brother radio 4-band. Brother 39058 64 confirmed. 65 is